Did you know 65% of all power steering product returns are preventable? 52.9% no defect found passes all post-warranty production tests. 12.1% non-qualified, undamaged, uninstalled returns, damaged, disassembled returns. Prevention is key. Unnecessary returns can easily be prevented by technicians properly diagnosing issues and following the correct installation procedures, by the counterperson looking in the box to identify broken or never installed units. Technicians must flush fluid with 3 to 4 quarts prior to component replacement. Use OE recommended power steering fluid or equivalent. Vacuum bleed to remove air from the system prior to initial vehicle startup following installation. Replace or clean remote reservoir on specific applications. Counterpersons look for damage from installation, missing or broken parts, units that are disassembled, OE core in the box, units that have never been installed, burnt smelling or black fluid in the unit. Summary: lower warranty return rates equal increased profits. Technicians: flush the system, use OE recommended fluid, vacuum bleed, and replace or clean the remote reservoir. Counterpersons: open the box and inspect the unit for damaged, disassembled, or uninstalled units and OE cores.